Yo, what up, people? It's your boy Jinx in the building one more time, and you know how we do. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do the Welele by TxC featuring Shoday and let's dive right into it. So move number one, you just want to get comfortable with this. To get comfortable with this, breakdown is you step, this comes up, step, this comes up, step, this comes up, step, this comes up. But now it doesn't stop, as you just want to keep moving. All right? And your hand can go with it. You do it 4 times at first. So we go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then it doesn't stop, but then we're going to do something else. We go tap, 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 and through. I'll take that slowly again. You cross, you come back, you cross, you go to your head, and you throw. But now we're going to put that together with this movement. It doesn't stop, like I said. But at first, you do it 4 times before you go into the hand movement, okay? 2, 5, 6, and 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and tap, 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 head, through. Doesn't stop, and we go tap, 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 head, through. Perfect, good. So take it again slowly this time. 5, 6, and 7, go, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, tap, head, through. And we go, and 1, 2, tap, head, through. Perfect, good. So once you've gotten the hang of that, we'll go into the next combo, which is going to be 1, 2. They basically jump and you go 1, 2, but your hand goes with you, almost like going to bam, bam. All right, TxC and 7, you go bam, bam. So twist, 1, 2, twist, 1, 2, twist, 1, 2. Good, but when you do that, your hand move with you. Tap, tap, 5, 6, go, tap, tap, 5, 6, go, tap, tap. Good. Then you want to kick out your right to the right while you fall to the left. 1, you take it behind, cross, and you go base set. Okay? Go into the final combination, which is you have a bent knee and you want to carry till you come up, carry till you come up. But then when you do that, your leg goes three the front. All right? So put that together with the hands and see how it looks. 5, 6, and 7, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there are different variations to this. Most people rather do this. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whichever you prefer, you can do it at your own pace, all right? So we're gonna put this together right from top down to the end, and we'll see how we do with the music. All right. If you're serious about becoming a stronger and more confident dancer, I've created training programs just for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your skills further, my courses are designed to help you grow, stay consistent, and actually see progress. I help people become incredible dancers, and if you're watching this, that probably means you're next. You can check out all my programs via the link on screen. You can see it right here, and you can get started today. See you in class.